This is Mamutas and Meras. Welcome to another solution tutorial of SolidWorks. Today we are going to solve this 3D problem. In this 3D problem, this is our isometric view. This is our front view. Then we can see we have a section line AA here, and this is our section view, and this is our view. In this view, we can see as we can see the every portion has a symmetrical portion. So one of the symmetrical portion has been shown in this view. Okay, so first of all, I'll start drawing from the front plane. In the front plane, I'll draw a circle, and this circle has a diameter of 32 unit. Okay, after drawing this 32 unit diameter circle, we can see here too this two circle has a difference of 4 units. Then I will draw an vertical line here, and this vertical line has a distance of 4 unit. After using drawing this vertical line, I will use the circular sketch pattern. Then I will circular sketch all the lines. Okay, if we count, we can see we have a total of 1 2 3 4 5 6, total 6 lines. And after drawing all the 6 circular line, I'll draw an 3-point arc. Okay, I'll draw a 3-point arc along this 2 point, and I will dimension it to radius 23 unit. Then in the same way, I'll use the circular sketch pattern to draw this shape along the path. Okay, after drawing this portion, I will extrude after drawing this portion, I will extrude boss. I will extrude boss it to here we can see extrude boss it to up to 6 unit. After extrude bossing it to 6 unit, then I will draw this circle line in the front face. This circle has a dimension of 12 diameter, and then I will extrude boss. As you can see, total distance is 7 units, so 7 minus 6, so this extrude boss portion is 1 unit. Okay, this extrude boss portion will be 1 unit. Then we can see we have another inner circular cut, and this inner circular cut has a dimension of 6 diameter. I will extrude cut it to through all. Okay, then in the back face, okay, in the back face we can see we have another circular cut here, and this circular cut has a similar dimension of 12 unit, and it has a extrude cut of 1 unit. Okay, then finally we will need to draw the fillets, and here you can see we have a radius 0.5 fillets along this point. Okay, all the this point, but if you see the 3D sketch, we have along this point and this point also, both the points. Okay, so let's go back to our SolidWorks. So I'm selecting the front plane from here. Now right click on it, now sketch, then normal to it, then select the circle tool from here and place the circle to the origin. And this circle has a dimension of 32 diameter. Okay, I have drawn this 32 diameter circle. Okay, this circle has been drawn. Now select the line tool. I am selecting the line tool from here and draw a vertical line, and this vertical line has a total distance of 4 unit. Okay, this vertical line has a total distance of 4 unit. Now select the from here the circular sketch pattern, as we need to draw 6 unit, so we need to draw 6 quantity. So I'm selecting this line, so 6 of them will be created. Now press OK. Now select the 3-point arc tool from here. So I'm selecting the 3-point arc tool from here and select this inner point and select this outer point. Okay, then dimension it. We need to dimension it to radius of 23 units. So I'm dimensioning to radius of 23 unit. So our radius of 23 unit has been done. Now press OK. Now same way I need to also draw the circular pattern of this circular curve. So I'm selecting again the circular sketch pattern from here, and we need to the quantity is 6. Okay, the quantity is 6. So I'm selecting this line, so all the line has been drawn. Now press OK. Now select the trim inches. We need to trim the unnecessary lines that we don't need, so we don't need these lines. So I'm trimming all the unnecessary lines. So after trimming all the unnecessary line, it's time to extrude boss. So I submitted it for a better view. Now go to features. Now extrude boss. Now extrude boss it to 6 unit. Okay, we're going to extrude boss it to 6 units. So dimension it to 6 unit. Now press OK. So our extrude boss portion has been done. Now selecting this upper face. Now right click on it. Now sketch. Then normal to it. Then select the circle tool from here and draw a circle. And this circle has a dimension of 12 diameter, so dimension into 12 diameter. Now isometric it for a better view. Now go to features. Now extrude boss. Now extrude boss it to 1 unit. So 7 minus 6, so it will be extrude boss it to 1 unit. Now press OK. So this extrude boss portion has been done. Now again select this front face. Now right click on it. Now sketch, then normal to it. Then select the circle tool from here and draw a circle, and this time the circle has a diameter of 6 unit. Okay, now isometric it for a better view. Now go to features. Now extrude cut. Now extrude cut it to through all both, so I'm going to extrude cut it to through all both. Now press OK. So this extrude cut portion has been done. If we go our index face, okay, if we look carefully, and this portion we have another extrude cut portion, and this extrude portion has a similar diameter of this 12 unit, and this has a extrude cut of 1 unit. Okay, so we are going to doing this one also. So select this face. Now right click on it. Now sketch, then normal to it. Then select the circle tool from here and place the circle to the previous circle origin, and this circle has a diameter of 12 unit. Now isometric it for a better view. Now go to features. Now extrude cut. Now extrude cut it to 1 unit, so extrude cutting it to 1 unit. So for that I'm selecting the blind tool from here and dimension it to 1 unit. Now press OK. So this portion has also been done. Now it's time for the filleting. Okay, for that I am going to select the fillet tool from here, and we have a fillet of 0.5 units, so dimension it to 0.5 unit. Now select this one and select this inner portion. Now rotate your model. Again select this portion, again rotate. Okay, similarly this other side also has to be done. And the last one also. So all the portion has been selected for the fillet. Now press OK. So our fillet has been done. Now isometric it for a better view. So as you can see, we have done our 3D sketch. Thank you for watching till the end.
Thanks for watching, and keep learning. Be different.